Our next topic is knapsack problem. Knapsack is a kind of a bag which has a minimum capacity. So in that we need to put the items in such a way that the weight of items should be less than or equal to bag capacity, and also we need to get maximum profit. So this problem we can solve using greedy method. Knapsack problem main constraint is the weight of the items put into bag should be less than or equal to the bag capacity and should get maximum profit from that. So there are two variants in knapsack problem. One is fractional and one more is 0-1 knapsack. So fractional knapsack is the one in which the items can be broken into smaller pieces so that only a fraction of an item can be put into bag. So let's take an example. If bag capacity is 20 kg and we have items 3, 10 kg, 8 kg and 7 kg. So initially we put a 10 kg into bag. So remaining capacity is 10. So next we will put item B of 8 kg. So total remaining bag capacity is 2 kg now. So last item is of 7 kg, but the remaining capacity of a bag is only 2 kg. So now we break or take a fraction of 7 kg item, that is only 2 kg, and we insert into a bag to reach the maximum capacity. So this is fractional. But in 0-1 knapsack there is no chance of breaking or taking a fraction of an item. We need to put complete item or not. So that is 0-1. So there will be n items. Each item will have a weight Wi and each item will have a value or a profit Pi, and capacity of a knapsack is taken as a W. So just look into an example. So knapsack bag W, it has a maximum capacity of 60 kg. So there are 4 items A, B, C and D. So each has a profit weight. So just look into item A. It has a weight of 40 and profit of 280. So what is the ratio? For 1 kg, how much profit we get? So we can calculate by Pi divided by Wi. So 280 divided by 40 is 7. So same we will calculate for B, C and D. So if you look into this ratio, so B has a maximum profit. So we need to reorganize in a descending order of their ratios. After reorganizing, so B will come first in second table. If you look into a ratio, B has a profit of 12, A has a 7, C has a 6, so D has a 4. So first item we need to put into bag is B. So bag capacity is 60. We put item B into a bag. So 60 minus 10 is 50 kg. So next item we took is A. So 50 minus 40 is 10 kg. So next item is C. So it has a weight of 20, but in bag capacity remaining is only 10 kg. So then we need to break or take a fraction of C, only 10 kg, and add into a bag to make it 60. So then the last part you can see, the last point, hence fraction of C is 60 minus 50 divided by 20. So we choose only 10 kg from C. So now what is the total profit we get? So for item B we have a profit of 120 rupees, and profit for item A is 280, and profit of C, because we are getting only 10 kg, we need to add a fraction profit, 120 star 10 divided by 20. So total profit we get is 460. So this is optimal solution we get from this problem. So main objective of knapsack is so get maximum profit and reach a constraint that items put into bag has a weight less than or equal to the bag capacity.